Well, tonight the manhunt is on for a fugitive sex offender convicted of sexually assaulting a 10-year-old girl.
Team 12's Monique Griego has more on tonight's Arizona's Most Wanted. Monique?
Police are looking for the man due to a probation violation, and now they want to catch him before he can hurt anyone else. Daniel Eugene Morgan, a convicted sex offender on the run and now in the crosshairs of Arizona authorities.
We don't know where he is right now.
Jamie Rothschild is a sergeant with Silent Witness.
And he's a 61-year-old white male who's about 6 feet, 180 pounds.
Morgan's currently on lifetime probation for crimes including the attempted sexual assault of a minor in Phoenix and child molestation. He's wanted for violating probation in relation to those charges. Authorities say he didn't check in and then took off. According to court documents, Morgan served more than 6 years in prison for sexually abusing his 10-year-old goddaughter. Investigators now desperate to catch him.
It is possible that he's offered to do handyman work for somebody, or maybe they were approached by him, and that information would be extremely helpful.
Court papers show Morgan was previously kicked out of sex offender treatment due to prescription drug use and failing to stay away from a woman who had underage children. Authorities say Morgan was last seen driving a white Toyota Tacoma, license plate number 923RKD. If you have any information on Morgan's whereabouts, you're asked to call Silent Witness at 480-WITNESS. Monique Griego, 12 News.